Welcome to Casa 2, New Town, where tomorrow's luxury is rising. We are excited to share that construction is progressing rapidly. Tower 1 casting is complete up to the 12th floor. Tower 2 and 3 have reached up to the 18th floor. Superstructure work is on schedule and interior work has begun on the lower level. Spread in about 2 acres, Casa 2 features 3 modern towers, B plus G plus 12, B plus G plus 18 and B plus G plus 25, offering a mix of 2, 2.5, 3 and 3.5 BHK homes. Planned with 3 sides open apartments, ensuring natural light, cross ventilation and sense of privacy. Residents will enjoy thoughtfully planned lifestyle amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, rooftop party zone, AC community hall, children's play area, and much more. Located just 1.4 km from Kalakshetra Metro, top schools, mall, hospitals, and the airport within just minutes. Casa 2 is in the advanced stage of construction. Position begins from December 2026 through 2027. Come be a part of the project that becoming a preferred choice for modern home buyer.